Let's solve this question on the board together, okay? It says x over 2 dot x over 2 is equal to 2 over x dot 2 over x. We're going to solve for the value of x, okay? The value or values of x. This dot here simply means multiplication. So we are having x over 2 times x over 2, which is what? X squared over 2 times 2 is 4. To be equal to, the same thing here is 4 over what? X squared. Now 4 and 4 multiply to give me 16. X squared and x squared will multiply to give me x to the power of 4. Okay? I hope you can now see from here that we have gotten a polynomial with the highest power of x being 4. Alright? So we can go ahead and solve this. From here we can say that x is equal to 2. Okay? Because 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Or negative 2, because also negative 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. Now these are the first two answers for x. But remember that the highest power of x here is 4. So according to the rule, we should have 4 values for x. Alright? So knowing that now, we can say, let's bring out this man. So let's bring out x raised to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Alright? From here, we can say that x raised to the power of 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. From here, we can now say that x squared raised to the power of 2 minus 16 is what? 2, okay, raised to the power of 2, which is 4, okay, all squared. Okay, so this is 16. 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16. Moving on from here, you can answer that this is difference of 2 squares. So we can have here that x squared minus 2 squared times x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Alright? Difference of 2 squares. From here, we can now say that it's either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So if this is equal to 0, so if x squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0, it means that x squared is equal to 2 squared, and then x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 2, which is what we have here. Now, for the second answer, we have or x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. From here we have x squared is equal to negative 2 squared. From here we now have that x will be equal to plus or minus root of negative 2 squared is something as root of 2 squared times root of negative 1. Okay? Now x here will become equal to plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 2, and root of negative 1 is I, so we have 2i. Alright, so this becomes the final values for x in this question. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.